Hi, my name is Meg Brunston with Soft Seams. I work as a fiber artist that specializes in tufting. I started Soft Seams in 2019, and in 2020 it became a full-time business. Tufting is the active needle punch through a backing fabric in the form of a loop pile or a cut pile. But to me, tufting is essentially painting with fibers. There are so many styles and options, and there's so much variety with tufting. You can create abstract pieces that are large scale, do portraiture. It's really up to you and your creative expression. Tufting allows me to express myself creatively, gives me the opportunity to process the things around me, and is one of my favorite art forms. I'm really excited to do this workshop with you today, and I hope that you enjoy it as much as I do.